The layout and needs of a deck or staircase railing can differ wildly from one project to another. This is why we don't keep posts on the shelf. We pre-drill and custom make each post for its specific location in your project, saving you time, money, and frustration during installation. With a standard level run, all the holes will be on the same plane through the post, but there are different hole configurations depending on where the post is in the run. You will have intermediate posts with through holes, and on a level run, your end post will have larger holes on one side because of the tensioning components. In angle runs, the post holes will be offset to make sure that the rods are at the correct angle for the staircase and clear the nosing of the tread. Corner posts are also highly specialized. A corner post has all the holes on the same plane, but your holes will be perpendicular coming out of the adjacent faces. This is what enables them to turn the corner. If your project has a transition point from an angled portion to a level run, the faces on opposite sides will have holes on the same plane to keep the rods level. The other faces will have holes at an angle, allowing the rods to pass through while going up the staircase. If you have any additional questions, check out the rest of the videos in the series or check out the links in the video description. You can always give us a call and talk to one of our experts. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to making your new rail Viewrail.